Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am here today with another Christmas gift unboxing, and this is actually a gift from me to me, and it's my first rebuy, I believe. Normally I've said goodbye to things and that was it. This one actually wasn't my choice to say goodbye, and I missed it, so I needed it back. So it was kind of an 11th hour, I'm gonna do it. So I did it because I really missed this piece. If you follow my videos and if you've been following me for a while, you already know what this is. So yes, there is the dust bag. And I'm super excited about getting this one back. It is the Nice BB canvas that I lost my last one from repair. It couldn't be fixed and I missed it. I really did. And again, since this was kind of a we hope to travel kind of Christmas with a lot of our gifts, I figured this would go with it and this would make me happy because I am still in love with this piece. I see it on Instagram and I get really sad. So I've never bought anything that I've said goodbye to before. Again, I've never rebought, I don't think. But this one, again, was not my choice. And I thought I could wait and I couldn't. So welcome back, Nice BB. Welcome back to the fam. If you don't have this piece, or any of the iterations of this piece, you're missing out. I'm telling you, it is a wonderful, wonderful piece to have. Travel with it, use it to store stuff at home if that's all you're gonna do. It's just a wonderful piece, and it's a wonderful piece of LV history. Yeah, I cannot wait to get this baby stuffed, get a bandeau on her, put some items in her, and just put her back where she needs to be, because I really missed her. And I've talked about her in several videos, so I'm glad to have her back. I think it was a great Christmas present from me to me, and get to end the year out with her back in my collection. And I look forward to using her on our next trip. And right now, she will just be the workhorse at home. And I'm hoping and crossing my fingers that there are not any issues with her construction. And thank you guys for constantly showing me this on Instagram, because it never let it leave my brain, and it kind of affirmed that yes, this piece is worth having. People are having fun with it. I will see you all in my next video, and thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification so you know the next time I do post a video. And I will see you guys soon. My Instagram is _cosmo.life. You can follow me there because I do post rather frequently. So I'll see you soon. Bye.